Hey friends, welcome back to The Life of Amy June. If you're new here, hi, I'm Amy. Today, I'm sharing my daily planning routine, the exact rhythm I use to stay organized while running multiple businesses, showing up as a mom and wife, managing clients, and still protecting my peace. This isn't about cramming more into your day or chasing productivity for productivity's sake. It's about creating a structure that supports your real life. One that helps you move forward without feeling rushed, scattered, or constantly behind. You don't need complicated apps, chaos, or a perfect system. You need a simple framework that works with your life, not against it. So let's slow down and walk through this together. The first step actually happens during my weekly planning session. When I'm mapping out my week, I take a few minutes to prep each daily page, and I keep this part extremely minimal. All I write down ahead of time is the date and any non-negotiable time-sensitive commitments. Things like school drop-off and pickup, meetings, appointments, anything that's locked in and can't shift. That's it. No to-do lists, no expectations, no pressure. This gives me a clean, flexible foundation for each day without boxing myself in. Because between my marketing agency, Amy June Lashes, Productivity Prism, YouTube, and regular life, things change constantly. I've learned that planning too much, too early, actually creates stress instead of reducing it. This step is about structure without overwhelm. In the evening, usually after dinner, showers, and when the house finally quiets down, I sit down and write my to-do list for the next day. But instead of dumping everything into one long, intimidating list, I organize my tasks by time inside my Productivity Prism planner. I use 3 simple categories. Quick tasks, anything under 15 minutes, tasks, anything under 1 hour, and projects, anything that takes more than an hour. This step alone has completely changed how productive I feel. It helps me catch when I'm overloading myself, spot quick wins I can knock out fast, be honest about what's actually realistic, stop waking up already feeling behind. Everything has a place. And that clarity is huge, especially when you're juggling multiple roles, which all of us are. In the morning, I choose my top 3 priorities and main goal for the day. And this part is important. I don't choose them the night before. Why? Well, because emails come in overnight, clients need changes, schedule shifts, kids get sick, life happens. Choosing my top 3 and main goal in the morning gives me the most accurate picture of what actually matters today. Here's how I choose them. 1 quick task, 1 task, 1 project, plus the overarching main priority, the one thing that truly matters most for today, today's goal. I don't let myself choose only quick tasks, even though that would feel amazing. Quick wins are great, but projects are what move the needle. And if I were to only complete my top 3 and my main goal for the day, that is a really successful day. That mindset shift alone changes everything. Once my top 3 are set, I time block my day, but in a very realistic way. I block my time in chunks, usually 1 to 3 hours, and I focus each block on a specific area of my life or my business. For me, that might look like client work for Luxe Marketing, YouTube filming, scripting, or editing, Productivity Prism projects, admin and planning, household tasks or errands, school drop-off, pickup, and activities. Within each block, I choose tasks from my categorized list that actually fits in the time that I have. I'm not bouncing between brands or task types all day long, and that saves so much time and mental energy. You will be shocked at how much you get accomplished when you aren't bouncing all over the place. Even if I only finish my top 3 and main priority, that is 1000% a win for the day. Majority of the time, I do get more stuff done because I have the momentum and I feel really good about finishing those things, but I do try to make sure that I finish my top 3 and main goal first, and then of course I feel great about it and then I want to keep going. Or sometimes I'm tired and I don't, and then I just stop. But of course, we all know that there are multiple things that may not be on your list that need to get done. So I just do those things, take a break, take a breather, maybe pick back up, maybe not. Really just play on your energy. At the end of the day, I always do a quick reset. I check off what's done, move what truly needs to move, and honestly cross off a lot of things that don't even matter anymore. You will be surprised at how often this happens. Then I give myself a clean slate for tomorrow. Sometimes I will plan for the next day now, but most of the time I do plan when the house is a little more quiet, after the dogs have eaten, our family has eaten, I've taken a shower and kind of done my skincare routine and relaxed. Anything that needs to carry over into tomorrow gets intentionally moved over, but nothing stays floating in my head. So there's no guilt, there's no mental clutter, just clarity. Sometimes instead of putting them in my to-do list, I will also just add to my brain dump. I know I've had a few questions about that, and when things do come up during the week, I'll just add them into my brain dump. Then I can categorize them and prioritize them and compartmentalize them and put them into what day of the week they will fit into. This is the exact daily planning routine that keeps me feeling really focused and productive, grounded, even when running multiple businesses, creating content, filming videos, and managing my family life. Your system, again, does not need to be complicated. So many productivity systems overcomplicate things, and it's not sustainable. It really just needs to support you. If you enjoyed this video and want more planning routines, productivity tips, or behind the scenes life and business content, make sure to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments, do you plan the night before or the morning of? Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you more than you know, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.